Hi everyone, how are you today? I am so excited to have a quick flip through of my week in the life pages. So I did what I would call a week in the life light. I had a very busy week on the week of the 24th of April to the 30th of April. And I was really conflicted as to whether to participate now or at a later date. So eventually I decided on a middle ground to document about 2 things that I'm grateful for each day and keep it as a light project, and it would sort of still be like my project life for the week, but in a week in the life type format. So I used a few things from my stash. I used the Paislee press kit from 2 years ago. It's a black and white and pink kit, which you'll see throughout my pages. And I also bought the mini kit, and I have a lot of week in the life things in my stash. So I'm just gonna do a quick flip through of my pages. I used this from the mini kit this year. I really love that. So here I documented my reason why, which I wrote behind here, and then here you see I used these cards to document my stories from each day. I kept it light as well, and I have a couple pictures. Of course, when I decided to do 2 things I'm grateful for each day, I obviously ended up with a bit more than 2 pictures a day, but I'm glad that I didn't use a whole lot, so I was still able to complete it fairly quickly. So I just documented using some things. I used some washi tape to just break up the black and white, and then on Tuesday was a holiday Anzac Day, which is very special day for us. It celebrates the war heroes and the persons who fought in World War II, including my husband's grandfathers, and so his cousins came over for the day, and we had a play date with Preston. I was really proud of him playing so well with his cousin and sharing in these moments. I have a picture here with them playing the xylophone together, which was really nice. So that was Tuesday. Then Wednesday, back to work and doing drop-offs, coffee, a lot of coffee. I've been working on my PhD milestone, which is why I wanted to do a light version, and this was the week where I was just finishing up all my final submissions. So I got a picture of me pouring milk, which I'm very proud of. Non-alcoholic wine and food. I forgot to take a picture while I was eating, so I got the empty dishes, and then I got this family picture at the end of the day on Thursday, which is the only family picture I actually have from the week. And then I continue on with the same formula. I loved using these black and white patches, which was from 2021 as well, I believe, and I think that it came together really nicely with the black, white, and just some little dots of blush. I at the end of it all, my son turned 18 months on this Sunday, so that was a lovely story to tell. He has been really busy and active, so I grabbed quite a bit of pictures of him just doing shenanigans throughout the weekend. Then I made a really nice eggplant, a hot and sour eggplant, and then there was football as well. So this is some ephemera that I collected from throughout the week. I don't usually collect ephemera, so I don't have a lot of things, and I just created it on a 2x2 as well. And I really like this quote that I saw Stephanie make stuff use today, and it's a freebie from 2019 week in the life, and I decided to use that to round up my spread. And this is really the end of my album for this month. So this was a spread that I created a roundup. I have a process reel on Instagram with this, and this is how I would wrap up this album for the month. So thank you for stopping by. I can also show you a flip through of my April albums while you are here, or I might just do a separate video for that, and just keep this one nice and short. So this is a flip through of my week in the life 2023. I may do a longer, more detailed one at another point in the year, but for now this is my project. So thank you so much for watching. Have a wonderful day ahead. Bye.